I'm James Hills. I work at the Tasmanian Institute of Agriculture. So we're part of the University of Tasmania. It's a joint venture between the state government and the university. And we do a lot of research in the livestock production side of things, so a lot of dairy research. So this project was part of a bigger program around some research that looked at systems level and testing of certain scenarios around that. So here at our research farm, we're upgrading 32 hectares of our site for what we call farmlets. And farmlet research is where you take a herd and you compare a particular system with one herd compared with another, so you have multiple herds. Part of that process, we needed to set up irrigation that would enable us to irrigate the area in a uniform way. In terms of trying to determine what we would install, we looked at all of the different available sprinkler systems. The Toro sprinkler system, the Toro guns, they were flexible. So the system that we looked at, we wanted to have a throw of at least 46.5 metres for the design that we were setting up with our grid. So looking at what was available, they certainly met the specifications that were required. The design of those sprinklers is such that you really, apart from the actual running of the water itself, they're actually very quiet in their operation. All in all, it was a competitive system that was meeting all the specifications that we needed. Yeah, so in terms of finding somebody suitable to install our system that we needed, we were looking at, number one, were they able to achieve this project in a very tight time frame? Because of the fact that we had research requirements and the fact that we needed to have something set up for milking, and it also needed to be done to meet our funding body's commitments. And so we had some big programs with funding committed for over $6 million, and it relied on us being able to complete our infrastructure install so that we could start that. So we needed a team that was professional enough and that was familiar with the type of irrigation systems, runs on the board in terms of their people and their relationships. So we had a really great experience ultimately working with Water Dynamics.